Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, buy now, get rich later. I'm going to give you all some information on the crypto market, give you the most important updates, things that will help you try to navigate this crypto market, this asset class, but also so that you don't have to spend 100 hours trying to figure out what's going on. So speaking of what's going on, tell me what's going on. Okay, all right, so you can see I am in a fantastic mood. Let's talk a little bit about the crypto market, see what's going on, see how you can buy now and get rich later. And I'm serious. Now, this is not financial advice, but if you are new to my channel, cryptocurrencies and tokens, digital assets, this is one of the greatest wealth opportunities of a lifetime if you take it. If you take it. Now, some of y'all not going to take it. You're going to miss the boat. Like I missed the boat back in 2016, 2015. I did not buy Bitcoin when I could have got it for little of nothing. And now you have all these folks who are Bitcoin millionaires, Ethereum millionaires. Now is the time. I know it seems hard, it seems rough, it seems boring. Now is the time. Buy now, get rich later. And later is like not 50 years, 100 years. Later is like probably 2 to 5 years, 2 to 4 years, if you buy enough. But cryptocurrencies and digital assets are so inexpensive, anybody can afford to invest in this asset class. So the first thing I'm going to do, let's take a look at. You all know I use CoinGecko. Let's take a look and see what's going on. So first of all, the market cap for the entire crypto market is $1.079 trillion. So it is down a little bit. And like 909 million. Bitcoin is about 38% of the entire value of the market. Ethereum is about 19% of the entire value. Let's take a look over here at the 7-day performance. Bitcoin is down 10%. Ethereum is down 11%. BNB is only down 6%. XRP is down 8%. Ooh, Cardano is down almost 18%. That may have something to do with that Vaso update. I am a true believer in Cardano. I am totally happy with my Cardano investment, so I'm not doing a thing. I also own Solana, down 19%. Dogecoin is down 22%. Polkadot down 14%. Shiba down 17%. Polygon Matic is down 13%. And so just check it out. Oh, my Chainlink is down almost 16%. I can't take it. I can't take it. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop right there at Chainlink. So anyway, you can see what's going on with the market right now. The market is just boring. It is just boring. Okay. But this is when you buy now so you can get rich later. For example, you can take a look. You know, one of my favorites is, I'm going to look at something different. Let's look at Chronos. Chronos used to be Crow, which is crypto.com. It's down almost 15% today. You can buy one token for about 13 cents. That is very, very cheap. Not financial advice. Chronos is going to be a successful crypto project. Nobody's going to tell me different. I own a lot of it. It's only 13 cents. If I take a look at it, this is why you buy now. You buy now because Chronos, let's take a look. Look down here. It is down 86% from its all-time high. The all-time high was 96%. It almost reached $1. If you can buy this token today for 13 cents, I mean, my goodness, I don't know what to say. I think I'm going to buy some more. So Chronos is only 13%, 13 cents. It's down 86%. This is when you buy now. So when it goes back up to $1 or more, that's when you sell, and you can get enough of it so you can have a substantial amount of money. That's all about the buy now, get rich later. A lot of people are going to buy it when it gets to $1. That's how you get upset. That's how you get mad. The way that you get happy, like I'm happy, oh happy day, oh happy day. The way you get happy, buy low and sell high. I can't say that enough. I know that people want to get rich quick. It doesn't happen that way, but a year will pass by quickly, 2 years, and you will be very happy. All right, so now, remember I told you all about the fear and greed index? Now, the fear and greed index is 25. Woo. And that's extreme fear. So when the lower the number on the index, in my opinion, the better the buying opportunity. Now it can get lower, because you can see it can. How low can you go? How low can you go? It can get lower, and as the fear index gets lower, I buy more crypto. That's what I do. As it gets higher, that's when I begin to sell. When the greed kicks in, that's when I begin to sell. When the fear kicks in, that's when I buy. And let me just show you an example. Look at this. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index over time, and you can see this for yourself. Look at when we were at greed. Look at the greed. October 27th of 2021, it was more than 81. You can look at any digital asset, and I bet if you look around this time, you will see that the prices for cryptos were way up. That's when greed kicked in. But look here, whenever you see fear down here, it can get down to 10 or below. When it's down here in this range, I am buying as much as I can, especially if I have conviction in the project. If it's a great project, I know it's going to go back up. So when this fear hits 9, 10, 15, I am all in on my purchases, okay? So that's buy now, get rich later, okay? This is a great time to research your projects, set up your crypto accounts, get an understanding of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, see the different categories of digital assets so you know where you want to invest. This is what you're doing right now so you can get rich later. One more thing I want to take a look at. Here's what I look at, guys. Look, I don't know about you. I got a life. I don't have time to spend on every minute of every day trying to figure out what this market is doing. So I just browse the news sites to find out if there's any information I need. One of the ones that I use is Cointelegrah.com. And look, I just scroll through to see what's going on. GameFi developers may be facing big fines. Alameda Research co-CEO Sam Trabucco resigns. Bank of Finland governor says digital euro could facilitate pan-European services to consumers. KuCoin has a KuCoin futures. They're celebrating their 3rd anniversary. Coinbase is introducing wrapped stake ETH. A lot of people want to know what's wrapped stake or wrapped Bitcoin. When a token is wrapped, think of it like this. A wrapped token is a modified or an adjusted version of that crypto. For example, when you see wrapped Bitcoin, if you have wrapped Bitcoin, that means that you are modifying that Bitcoin so it can function on a blockchain that it didn't originate on. So when you wrap Bitcoin, you modify it to look like Ethereum so it can function on the Ethereum blockchain. Wrapped tokens almost allow for interoperability between tokens and chains. And so I just want to get into that. So anyway, you all can see here, there's nothing big going on. You've got a lot of innovation going on, which I think is great. That's why when we have the next bull market, it's going to be explosive. That's why I'm buying and accumulating right now, okay? The other side I look at Coindesk. Coindesk is a good site. I looked on here. Some of you all look at BitBoy. I look at BitBoy. He had a defamation lawsuit against another YouTuber. That don't have nothing to do with me. I could care less about that. He is funny. I like some of his work. He did begin to get a little bit too intense for me. But he's done some good things in the industry. Also, Voyager has the audacity. A lot of millions of people lost millions of dollars on Voyager, and that how about they want to pay their employees a retention bonus? Retain them for what? They filed bankruptcy. Millions of people have lost billions of dollars on this in this project, and they want to pay people a retention bonus. Seriously, I need Voyager to give people back their money, okay? Or let them get access to their money. All right, so that's crazy. So I just like to look at stuff like this. That's more of that. And yeah, so Voyager, yeah, they were clear by the bankruptcy court to return $270 million. I need everybody to get their money back before they pay a retention bonus. So anyway, that's what you have, okay? So Fear and Greed Index, right now we're at 25. It's probably going to go lower. This is a boring time. This is the buy now, get rich later. All right, my name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Don't spend all your time doing this. Spend your time with your family, your friends, and guess what? Making money so you can invest in this asset class. That's what I'm doing, okay? Not a lot is going to change. Markets go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Just position yourself so that you're buying low so that you can sell high. All right, make sure you click on like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. What's going on? Tell me what's going. Y'all like Marvin Gaye? What's going on? Ain't a lot going on in the market, just innovation. All right, so like, subscribe, and share. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Until next time.